Hello everyone, I am Badood Ahmed Khan from IIT Delhi and I am going to present here one of our use cases, that is backward compatible smart IoT nodes. In this study, we are dealing with retrofitting commercially available smart IoT nodes with smart processing. We have designed a working model of a smart IoT device with a data pruning subsystem, and as an example use case of delay tolerant communication, IoT communication application, we have considered a smart energy meter. Advanced metering in smart grid has emerged as a powerful paradigm for bidirectional communication between utility and the service provider in an electricity distribution network. Unlike the analog counterparts, smart meters follow a very rapid data logging approach, the result of which is a very fine-grained electricity consumption data. Typically, smart energy meters incorporate two modules, that is measurement and communication. The data measured by a smart energy meter consists of measured energy consumption parameters, timestamp, and a unique identifier. Although this huge amount of data is very useful for modeling and understanding the energy usage patterns, but it certainly poses challenges in terms of efficient communication and storage. Due to the limitation in handling huge amount of data, strategies for smart meter data reduction need to be employed. However, data-driven resource optimization techniques have not been employed in commercial smart meters. Therefore, it is proposed to incorporate a data pruning subsystem in smart meters. As a proof of concept, we plan to demonstrate data compression at the edge node in order to save bandwidth required for data transmission to a remote cloud. At each smart meter, sparsity of the data is exploited to devise an adaptive data reduction algorithm based on compressive sampling in order to reduce the bandwidth required for transmission with minimal loss of information. The smart meter which we have developed is Wi-Fi and NB-IoT enabled, and it is capable of measuring and compressing multiple energy consumption parameters. The smart meter which we have designed is first implemented on RPi and then followed by its implementation on a STM32 microcontroller in order to save on cost and also to make it commercially feasible. We have also implemented multivariate data pruning in RPi, and its implementation in a microcontroller is underway. As we can see in the diagram above, we are able to save up to 36% bandwidth in data transmission when using a single variate data compression algorithm in a smart energy meter. Now the cost of the meter which we have developed is around 7,000 per unit, and as we can see below, if we compare it with the cheapest available commercial smart energy meter, it is roughly 5 times cheaper. Also, we are in the process of implementing a learning-based data pruning algorithm for real-time IoT systems, and in that case we have taken power grid phasor measurement unit data in order to further our study. Also, the proposed techniques of data pruning for real-time as well as delay-tolerant IoT applications can be suitably adapted to any available commercial IoT device that does not apply intelligence at the edge node.